Let's take it to the start. It was just me and my guitar, a dreamer on the road, no map, just all those stars. I never backed away, I played where I could play. Loneliness befriended me, felt older than my age. I let go a little, I fell for something new. It was sweet for a moment, this love I never knew. He called me little dreamer and said I'd be okay. I let go of my ambitions and promised him I'd stay. Now all of my dreams are floating like a river in my head. At night in bed, talking to myself so wide awake. Oh, he kept telling me to let go of my goals. I never questioned, I just let go of my hopes. And now the
Hi guys, so we are at the shopping mall. I came to do grocery shopping. I took same amount with the market vlog. I'm using 20,000 naira to see what 20,000 naira can get me in the supermarket. Yeah. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica Trinovek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If you're interested in my lifestyle and in my day-to-day activities as a mom, please hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So I'm just checking out the minced meat and the meat that I need. Yeah, so I picked minced meat and I picked some chicken breast as well. And after this, we'll head out to another section in the mall to go check out for other stuff I wrote on my list, because I like going out with lists so that I don't overbuy. I buy what I need for my list here. So please keep.
She left me lonely. Now I see her in my dreams. Yeah, she's so holy. Got me back in on my knees. Oh, she left me lonely. I swear it's hard to believe. She was the only. Now I feel so incomplete.
Just in case you see some hand in the frame, I asked my nephew, because I went for the grocery shopping with my nephew. I asked my nephew to help me to video this because baby girl was sleeping, so I had to carry her. Yeah, so I'm just picking some noodles, and I just picked oil, I picked noodles. So I also checked my list to know what next I need. So now I'm picking sardine fish. Okay, then we move to the next aisle. I'm just checking around prices, checking around what and what they have on maybe sales and the rest. So right here I came to pick some toilet roll, and I went for these ones because they're not too pricey. So I went for these ones. I'm trying to work with my budget, guys. Remember, our budget is 20,000 naira. So let me see what 20,000 naira will get us in a supermarket as big as this. Yeah, so I also went to pick pampers for the big girl, like her pampers. I also added her pampers to this list. I also added her baby food as well. So I picked her pampers, I picked her baby food.
She was the only. Now I feel so incomplete. Yeah, she left me. So incomplete. She left me. So incomplete. Yeah, she left me lonely. Now I see her in my dreams.
So far we are done shopping, so it's time for us to pay. And guys, guess if you've watched this extent, guess in the comment section how much we spent for this grocery haul. So I'll see you guys at home to unveil all the stuff we got.
She was the only. Now I feel so incomplete. Yeah, she left me. Had my head so deep in the sand. When I met you, didn't have plans, but I stayed when I should have ran.
So fam, we are back home. These are all the stuff we got. I got indomie, I got pasta, I got sardine, tuna fish or sardine fish, I got spaghetti, I got baby girl showing me her meal as well. I got baby girl's food, I got oil, I got tissue, I got baby girl's pampers, and I also got some meat and chicken as well. Then I went to the local market to get some other stuff. I think I showed it in this part after I unveiled all this. I also got in the local market, I got some tomato, I got some so I bought rice as well. Then this is what I got from the local market in my area. All these malams that sell things along the roadside. Yeah, this is tomato. I got tomato. I got carrot and then green pepper. I got some granite that will munch on. Then I got potato. So these are all the stuff I got. So far, to unveil this, I spent more than the 20,000 naira, guys. Yes, I spent up to 30k for those things you guys saw. So I'm blending the tomato because the tomato was not giving me red tomato vibe. So I needed to just blend it so that it does not get spoiled. So my money not go just cook my go waste, I beg. So I blended it. I'm now cooking it, and I will store this in the freezer. I can use this to cook anything, maybe jollof rice or so. I just said to like store it because I don't want this tomato to spoil. So after I've cooked it for a while, this is what we have. I'm just going to transfer this in my plate and store this in the freezer. If you've watched this extent, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, what are the cost of goods in your area? Like in this country, Nigeria, things are just becoming so expensive. Can you imagine those small things I got and it's up to 30k, like 30,000 naira? Let me know in the comment section. 30,000 naira in your own country currency. What is it in your own country currency? Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Like after this, I have so many dishes to sort out because I cooked food as well. So these are the dishes. My kitchen is all messed up, so I'm just going to be cleaning. And please keep on watching and enjoy the music. So loves, I'm done cleaning the kitchen. My kitchen looks clean. It's time for me to go to bed. So this is what my kitchen looks like after the whole cleaning and everything. Everybody has gone to sleep and it's time for me to go to bed. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Signing off from here. Bye.